Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and the manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I have information to give to you, but first up, I am going to present a video to you that I recorded within Jamaica. Now, this video is going to show police officers from within the country of Jamaica at one point holding on to a person. The video shows police officers trying to restrain a person, and the person was somewhat resisting, viewers and subscribers. And the video also shows when police stop trying to restrain the person, viewers and subscribers. So I say no, the video shows quite a number of persons, viewers and subscribers, and in the video you can hear persons talking loud. You see what I'm saying to you? And I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police officers went to that premises or at the location where the video be recorded, but the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. So I want to look and listen to the video. You can also tell me what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, my people, so I didn't get any confirmed information as to what happened after the video stopped recording, but that video is being talked about on social media, and I'm just letting you know about the video and also the situation. You can let me know what you think. Now, on to the next topic now, viewers and subscribers, are a topic that I really want to talk to you about. I'm going to talk to you about a situation where it is said that a man who is said to be a police officer and also goes by the last name of Blair allegedly had been shot and killed by a female who is said to be his wife. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video that shows a person who is said to be a family member of the police officer who had been shot and killed, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to talk about some words that the person said in that video. But before I start to talk about some words that the person said in that video, I'm going to give you some more information that I got about the situation. Alright, so it is said that the police officer allegedly had been shot and killed by a female who is said to be his wife, and allegedly she used a hammer to inflict wounds to the police officer's head. Didn't get any specific number when it comes on to the alleged wound or so forth. As I say, okay. Now, it is said that 2 hammers and a gun was found at the crime scene, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that the female had been taken to hospital and that the female had been wounded, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that the female had been hospitalized, and it is said that the female, who is said to be the wife, had been wounded. Now, allegedly, and it is also believed that might have been self-inflicted wound, viewers and subscribers. Didn't get any specific details about the female's medical condition to determine how many times the female might have been wounded. Anyway, so now when it comes on to the video that shows a person who is said to be a family member of the police officer who had been killed, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some words that the person said in the video. So please bear in mind that these words that I'm about to say might not be exactly word for word as to how the person said some words in the video. Now, in the video, the family member said some words that gave me the understanding that the family member said that they've been having problems for years. And I assume that the family member talk about the couple or the man who had been shot and killed and the female who is said to be his wife. The family member said some words pertaining to the female who is said to be the wife. that gave me the understanding that the family member said that she love lick and that she's a very high-tempered person and that she licked him with pot a couple days ago. The family member also did say a sentence, but it's like the sentence never totally finished. It's like the family member move on to another sentence. In my point of view, the family member says certain words, but it's like when you look on the video, the family member look really sad. See, so it's like the family member said that she lick him with coconut, and it's like the family member move on to another sentence before finishing that sentence properly. The family member said that the female was in hospital at one point, or was in hospital, and him take care of her, meaning that the person who had been killed take care of her, based on what the person said in the video, me see. And the family member said that in now about a divorce. It's like the family member said that the man said that she just wants somebody to take care of her. The family member said, the family member shocked. And the family member said that a few days ago him said that she said she gonna kill him. You hear that, people? The family member said that him text in the family group and said that him said that she gonna kill him. In a voice that sounds like when someone get ready to start cry, or a voice of sorrow. I assume that the family member implied that all of these things happened before the man had been shot and killed, allegedly by the female who said to be his wife. Now, somebody else also talking in the same video, and I said, Anna first, she has said these things, or Anna the first, she said something like that. See? But him always tell the family. Now, my people, it's really sad for you how the whole situation turn out. See? I mean, know that some people might know want to say, oh, them they are big signs and support and Ray and blah. See? But may I tell you, life set away. Now, in my point of view, this whole situation, I would say that this whole situation is some type of domestic dispute or feud that went horrible. So my people, just give you information according to how I got information. Really a sad topic. Now, if you like the way I bring information to you, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle had been searched by at least one person who was not fully dressed in any type of uniform. Now my people, I want you to please bear in mind that I said at least viewers and subscribers. Yeah, because the video shows more than one person's. However, in a part of the video, a person said these words. Listen.
Hey, this is my kind, officer. This is my kind.
You hear? Listen again.
Hey, this is my kind, officer. This is my kind.
I hope you understand and heard those words that the person said in that part of the video. Alright, my people, so I got the understanding that some comments have been made certain places on social media about the video and also the situation, and would I like you to look and listen to the video and tell me what you think about the situation that I can see and hear in the video. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation. You can also tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this, because in the video you can hear when certain words have been exchanged between certain persons who you can hear talking in the video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe, and viewer discretion is advised for this video.
Right. You know that we wake up for. something. Right, keeping.
Hey, this is my car, officer.
We search the car.
This is my car.
No, he's the driver. Thy husband, right?
Listen, I come to look
Thy
for
husband, right?
I come to look
Listen.
I come to
Just
look
now. Hey,
for
woi.
So you feel? Because that block?
Just now, Miss Lady.
That a stolen vehicle last night. Why me pack up? I called Cougar Station. Nobody come to see about it.
G, you want to just kind of. Because your wife makes it bad, right? It's already correct.
How I make it bad? My train not coming out of the car. This the rain falling.
Very well.
My train not coming out of the car. Sorry. Take a look. Let me keep it now, on nice morning.
In fact, make sure anything damaged and report it.
You need to be present for the search.
She recording with the search. She recording the
We are
search.
present.
She recording the search.
Pick up your wallet.
I'm present. I'm two daughters watching it.
Pick up your wallet.
My daughters are watching it. My daughters
Look
are
at this
watching it.
idiot son and big son. Big holiday.
Your child watching.
My child is not 5-year-old.
Record one time.
What should I doing? Because I come to look for Trevor. Here I have.
Look for Trevor and your husband. He come look for weed.
He come
I
look
can't
for
look for
it.
it. I
He
say
can't
all
come
I know
to look for
I
it.
come
This is the
Look
block.
forward to my mouth.
This is the
All I
block,
know I
right? So
come
because I only block.
All I know who's selling, who's running.
Because I only block here in Cuba, they feel. Right?
He didn't come by the vehicle time.
Them fellas just walk out. Them fellas just walk out.
Right? He
Them
was on
fellas
this
just
side,
walk
ma'am,
out.
right? He do so.
This is real nonsense.
So we talking about.
Don't smoke no weed today, right?
We don't come on the block with my turn on it. Oh, they're real good. In the rain, watch them. They have nothing to do. And a stolen vehicle was by me just now and nobody come. Yeah.
You asking me who is Trevor? She said she come to check Trevor.
Watch, record all the wet up all this.
So they wet up my documents.
So in case we have
These people have nothing to do with
produce
big
this to anybody else, right?
Tuesday morning, watch them.
Anybody else.
Nothing to do. Good for nothing people, watch them. Take and keep it safe. Take and keep it safe, right? Yeah, keep it safe, right? Keep it safe, right? You carry it and frame it and put it in your bedroom and watch
I do about
it.
this out wet up now, sir. I do about
Yeah, what you kind of nonsense people have to go through. Open it if you want to open it.
You're searching
It have 100, it have 100, it have 100. It have all the weed and coke inside it.
Watch.
The one in block. Here them laughing at people, hear them. Hear them, how they operate.
I deal with a professional man, alright?
They're not professional, watch them. Watch them.
When you come out rough on us,
understand?
I
They're rough on
people.
people.
Right? Don't speak in that
You
type
start to
of-
rough me over.
We're just idiots.
Go with the car, can you like
We're just idiots.
I think it's right.
Hey, oi.
Hey, don't pull my purse, sir. Don't pull my purse, sir. Don't pull my purse, sir, right? Mr. Man, don't pull my purse, sir.
Holy money, Ali.
You grab the purse, you don't take it.
He want the money. They want money, early money. Yeah. They want money, watch. Watch how they want money, watch. He with my purse. Look how he take out my purse from the car. Watch him have it in his hand, watch. Watch this officer. Them hungry. He's hungry
Where
people,
you don't
watch
have it,
them.
boy. You don't have it. I not.
Watch this next one. Watch this next one. Watch them good.
You, I not coming here.
Hello.
You want to fire lash handing, not me, boy.
Hello.
Fire lash at who? Fire lash at who?
Not me, nah.
Hello.
Watch
You
me.
need to take
You don't
me
search
out
your
of the
staff and
picture.
chat.
Why? What the money have in it? Somebody stick up on the money? Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket.
I do not sit on my car.
People are getting wet in the rain. Watch them. There's hungry people early morning. Watch. Watch people. It's lunchtime. My name?
You don't have to give nobody
That's not necessary. That's not necessary.
Offense.
Offense, sir. The most you can do is say your name or where she living in public. Right?
Have a name, please,
Like, you don't have any name here.
That's not necessary.
She have ID in my wallet, eh? Drop your money in here.
But she want more money. What she taking more money? What she want more money?
You nobody your name, but you're right.
Oh, you're good.
go on.
That's not necessary. Sorry. Waste of time.
I gotta be real with them people. Some words I say in the video make me want to laugh. So me I say, yeah, but I be real, you see. Alright, but if you notice the video shows more than one motor vehicles viewers and subscribers. You see? And if you take notice, you can see that certain things that go on at the same time when certain things was being said in the video. So, you know. I think I have some gonna left it still, my people. So tell me what you think about the situation there. You know, tell me what you think about all that I said in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.